Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable password reset protection on Twitter. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable password reset protection on Twitter, go to your browser and browse x.com. On left pane, click on More option. Click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings, click on Security and Account Access. Then click on Security. Scroll down. Here you will find Additional Password Protection and Password Reset Protection is enabled. Just click here to disable Password Reset Protection. And for confirmation, type your password and then click on Save. And look, password reset protection is disabled right now on my Twitter account. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.